Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make and can delicious blackberry jam the only way. First, gather your ingredients: fresh, ripe blackberries, sugar, pectin, and lemon juice. Next, sterilize your canning jars and lids by boiling them for 10 minutes. This crucial step ensures your jam remains safe and fresh. Finally, set up your large cooking pot and water bath canner, ready for the next stages of this rewarding process. Now, let's get cooking. Start by crushing your fresh blackberries and combining them with the pectin in a large pot. Bring this mixture to a full, rolling boil that cannot be stirred down. Then, quickly add all the sugar at once, stirring continuously. Continue to boil hard for exactly 1 minute, stirring constantly to prevent any scorching. This rapid boil is key to achieving the perfect jam consistency. With your jam cooked, it's time to fill the jars. Carefully ladle the hot jam into your sterilized jars, making sure to leave precisely 1/4 inch of headspace at the top. Wipe the jar rims thoroughly to ensure a clean seal. Center the lids on the jars, then apply the bands finger tight. Finally, process the filled jars in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes. This seals the jars for long-term storage. Once processed, carefully remove the hot jars from the canner and place them on a towel to cool undisturbed. You'll hear the satisfying pop as they seal. After 12 to 24 hours, check for proper seal by pressing the center of the lid. It should not flex. Store your perfectly sealed blackberry jam in a cool, dark place where it will maintain its delicious flavor for up to 1 year. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.